Hey, these cute Art Soothes the Heart coffee mugs are available in the shop. There's a link in the description box. Go grab yours today. Let's go make some art together, because art soothes the heart. Thanks for stopping by at Twisted Art Designs. I have a new set of face-ups. I love making these face-ups and then using them with magazine images, making collaged characters in my art journals. So I'm going to show you some cute and fun, quirky ideas for making some fun characters with these face-ups today. There's a pouty girl, there's a mad girl, a sweet girl, there's diva queen, some cute guys, different kinds of guys, a baseball hat, a bow tie, and a very oversized pair of glasses that you could cut the lenses out and put plastics and things behind them. So they'll be really big glasses to make some funky characters. The other thing I'm going to use in this video is this set of dies. It cuts out different glasses. I'm going to cut out these glasses in a bunch of different colors and then show how to use things like vellum and plastics and things behind them to make some really very fun and funky characters. So this is going to be fun. Join me and let's go make some art today. There will be a link in the description box for this FaceUps collage sheet and for this die set as well. Look at all these cute glasses. I just cut them out in all different colors. Some of them I did in kind of wild papers. This was a striped paper, but look how cute that comes out. I did this in this really wild print and made some wild, colorful ones. So these are going to be fun to play with. And then to make lenses in the glasses, you can use things like this. This is plastic that is from like a package of stickers. You can use acetate, vellum, the thicker packaging plastic, anything that's, that's plastic you could use. This is going to be doubled. So I'm going to open this like this. So it's now one big sheet. And the best thing to do would be to put your glue on the back, use your fine tip art glitter glue, put glue on the back. So put it down on your plastic when it dries and it won't move around. Then you can take your scissors and trim out around the edges, and then you're going to have lenses in your glasses. So look how cute these are going to look. So here's this girl with a green headband. Here's some lime green glasses. Look at how cute that is. Oh my gosh, I just love these little glasses. They're so cute and they look so nice on the characters. Here's that wild funky pair. I could put that on the girl that's pouty or on this girl. So fun. Or on this guy. Put those wild glasses on the guy. Ooh, that looks good. I like that a lot. So I've laid a pair over each one's just to show you. Look how cute it is, and you can change them up, move them around. They're just going to make such cute characters. And then it's also going to be fun you could use embossing powder to make them shiny. You could use glitter. You can make them sparkly and glittery, add gems to them. So I'm going to dress up the glasses after I put together the characters. So the first thing, of course, is going to be cut out my faces from my face-ups and put lenses in the glasses, and then start putting characters together. I've cut all my faces out, and now I'm ready to find some fun bodies to create my characters. And I added a pair of sunglasses in this kit that are oversized, because I thought those might even be fun too for making some quirky characters like this with some big, big glasses. So that's kind of fun too. You can play around with those. You could, look at that, so cute. You could change up the color of them. You could use a paint pen and change the glasses. Instead of being blue, you could change them to a different color. But those make some really fun and funky characters too. Those big glasses, and they do need lenses behind them, so I need to do that. And I'm going to show you a couple lenses tricks, but I thought first before I did that, I would cut out the faces and then find bodies and then decide which glasses I want to put on them, and do I want the glasses to look like eyeglasses or sunglasses, or have colored lenses, and that is going to be determined by what body they have. So the next step for me after cutting out all these cute faces is to go through my magazine stash and find some bodies. So like here's a magazine image of a guy reading a newspaper. So this might be kind of a good one for the guy, putting this guy on there. Look at that, so cute. I love how these face-ups look. Have his head tipped and have him wearing glasses. So he's wearing glasses to read. That would be really kind of cool. I like that a lot. So I think I'm going to put that one aside. I've got crazy ones like this. This is from Vogue. And it is a girl, and she's got a dress on and sneakers, and she's reading a newspaper jumping on a trampoline, and it's just kind of wild and crazy. So that would be a fun one to find a girl or find a character to put on it and add some funky glasses to. I just need to look and decide. It's hard to decide. This one's a cute one. I always look for ones that are doing different and interesting things. I think she would be cute on that one. The kind of sad melancholy girl would be cute on that body. So I just play around. This one too. This girl's reading a magazine. This is from Flow magazine. She's sitting in a chair reading a book. And I thought that would be a cute one to have one of these girls, like even this one. That would be cute. Look at that's great. And put some glasses on her, and she's reading a book. So that's a good one. I'm going to put that one aside. This is kind of wild. A wild one from Vogue. A fashion one with this guy. It's kind of wild and crazy. That would be a great one for this. And then put some wild sunglasses on him. So I think I'm going to choose that one for him. And we've got ones like this, so I look for ones that are very colorful, nice positions, nice poses. This one, the girl's dress has eyes all over it, and I like that pose. So that would be kind of cute. Like that. So I'm just going to look around and find which one goes to which. Oh, I've got this great one here. Look at this fun one. This is a dress, and it is an artist's sketch of a dress, and I think the dress designer is Louise Fetcher, but it says designed by Drama, and I've got this queen, so it's like a drama queen. Let's create a drama queen character. Look how cool and funky that would be. I love that. So I'm going to do that one and make her a drama queen and give her some wild and crazy glasses. I love that one. So fun. So I'm going to go through each one and pair them up with a crazy magazine image. That would be cute. I love that. Oh, that's really cute. So I'm going to choose that one. And once I get them paired up with a magazine image, a magazine body that I like, then I'm going to decide what glasses I want to put on them. And I'll fussy cut out the body and then add the head and then add the glasses. And I'm going to have a really nice selection of quirky characters to use in my art journals. You can glue the glasses to vellum and then trim it out and leave it just like that. The eyes still show through, but they look like frosted lenses, so I love that look. I'm going to trim those out, and then this is what they look like on plastic. They look clear on plastic, and then they're shiny like glass lenses. And when I cut out the magazine image and get it ready to put the face up, I always cut this little strip where the face was on the magazine image. I cut a little strip, and then that gives something for you to glue the face up to in the back. You can tape it or glue it down, but I always leave that little tab. Here's my pile of cute characters with face-ups, and of course I use the die-cut glasses. I think they just add something to it, make it really fun. This magazine image had long hair, and it still looks cute. She's got her updo and then the hair down on her shoulders, so it turned out really cute. I love that one. And the girl with attitude. And I love how when you put the plastic behind the lenses, they look like real glasses. So these are going to be so fun to use in my art journal. So now I've got a nice little pile of characters ready to play in my art journals. I like this one. I added the bow to the back of her head, and she's got her sassy outfit. So she looked grumpy, but now she just looks hip and cool. And I did those glasses with all different colors of paper. The paper had all different colors on it, so they're real colorful. So she turned out cute. She doesn't look mad. Now she just looks like she's got attitude. And this girl reading her book. And then my favorite one of all, of course, is the Design by Drama. That was a fun magazine image to find. And I love how quirky she turned out. And then I'll use things like Nuvo drops on the pearls and add some sparkle, some glitter to her. When I put her on a page, I always decorate them even further. I created this fun sheet of accessories to further decorate and collage your characters to add some more fun and interest. So let's play around with this and see what we can do. And this is a freebie for a thank you for everybody who follows me, watches my videos, likes, shares, donations, anything I receive. So enjoy the freebie. I added the parrot to the dress of the drama queen. Love that, so fun. And then on this one, I used my X-Acto knife to just cut her thumb and then put the string to the No Drama Llamas Allowed sign. So she's holding that sign, and these two are definitely going to go on an art journal page together. How cute is that? So she's saying no drama llamas allowed, and this one is being a total drama queen, even with her pet parrot sitting on her dress. So cute. So let's see what else we can do with some more of the fun things on the freebie sheet to decorate our characters. I put this cool guy on the skateboard. The guy reading his paper is now smoking a pipe. I just used my X-Acto knife and cut a little slit in his mouth and stuck the pipe in and then glued it down. So that's kind of fun. And she's holding that fan. I added the blue bow to her hair, which is just so cute, and the pink purse. I just cut her hand and put the pink purse behind. So she's got her No Drama Llamas Allowed sign and her cute pink purse and her blue bow. I love it. So fun to keep adding little tidbits and embellishments here and there to collage a cool character. And I added the opera glasses on her lap, so she's such a diva. She's sitting in her comfy chair watching chick flicks with opera glasses. So it's just fun to create stories and create fun characters. I hope you've enjoyed this and that you enjoy the set of freebies and that you make some fun characters. Go see what you can come up with. Now that you have your stack of characters you've created, you're going to want to grab your favorite art journal and start to create some layouts to put your characters into. These are some of the layouts I've done in the past using my FaceUps characters. So you create a background, you add your characters, you create a story, you put in some words and some titles and things, do some journaling in the background, and you have a really fun art journal using FaceUps. So if you want to play along, go to the description box in this video. Under the title to the video, there's ... more. Click on that and it'll take you to the description box where you can find the FaceUp sheets, the freebies, and a playlist of other videos using FaceUps if you want to see how I've created these actual layouts and you want to learn some backgrounds and things. There's a whole playlist of videos using FaceUps. So have some fun, go make some art, because art soothes the heart. Thanks for stopping by.